Hi everyone, welcome to week 7, which is August 10 through 16. This is our last week that's going to follow the exact pattern that we've been following for 7 weeks. So I'm just going to go over the highlights. And basically, this is our last regular discussion that's based or connected to the reading, so it's on the chapter on linguistics. And we have our open discussion this week, which many of you have been participating in, and I really thank you so much for that because I feel like this has really helped build community. We have our third and final reading quiz based on the second reading in the linguistics communication chapter, which is called The Basics of Nonverbal Communication. And that reading is on pages 93 to 97. You'll see it in your 4-point intro reading assignments. So please do your very best to read it carefully, annotate to the best of your ability, show yourself and show me, but mostly show yourself that you have learned something this quarter in terms of being able to read an article and annotate it and pass a difficult test on it, okay? You're taking your vocabulary quiz, which will be on the 2 readings in the linguistics communication chapter, so you have to make sure that you've covered those vocabulary power exercises. And then this week, on Thursday, that will be the last day that you can turn in, or well, that is the due date for your final of writing test 2, which is your summary. Okay, so you're welcome to turn it in earlier if I've already given you feedback and you just want to get it in. That's fine, but please don't get it in late because the quarter is going to end. Okay, so the last thing I want to point out is there are some video materials in here, and I apologize because when I looked at the ones from last week, I didn't know that the person who had posted the videos that were all about the 5 different gestures had taken them down. That person has closed his or her YouTube account. So I put some more fun videos in here that I hope you'll watch, like this one is about American hand gestures and how to get yourself in trouble abroad using these gestures. And this one is interesting because it's all about communicating like in a professional environment and how much our body communicates a positive attitude or a negative attitude. And this I really like. This is from Business Insider, and there's a little bit of reading, but it's mostly a chart, if you scroll down, that shows you in picture form. I'll just give you a quick view of it, of body language around the world, and that it's very cool. So please check out those materials. And I'm going to go back into the main module. So basically those are the things that we are covering this week. Now I put a text structure PowerPoint file in here because we've been talking a lot. This unit in 4-point talks about text structure, and this is just extra material. Okay, now I'm talking all over the text here. All right, thank you everybody. Hope to see some of you, or many of you if you'd like to or can attend on Tuesday. And again, I will always post the video if you'd like to watch it. Thank you.